Hi everyone, this is Ayush Jaiswal and I am making an explanation video of our data science assignment question third, where the question is explain the purpose of training, test and validation sets in machine learning. What is cross validation and how does it differ from simple train validation test split? So we will go for this answer, and here we will see why do we split data? Ensure the model learns patterns, not memorize data, and evaluate model performance on unseen data for real world accuracy. Prevent overfitting and biased prediction. Where training set is largest portion of data, often 70 to 80% used by the model to learn patterns and relationship. Model sees both inputs and correct outputs. We can say them labels. Now, validation sets used during model training to tune hyperparameters. Hyperparameters are the parameters that are given to a model before testing and helps prevent overfitting to training data. Where overfitting is noise that comes because of the model learns so much detailed patterns from the training data, so it fails to give correct output on the new data, that is overfitting. And validation sets allow selection of optimal model setting. Now test set aside until after training and validation, used for final model evaluation and shows how model performs on totally unseen data, that I have said for overfitting only. And now typically split examples are training is 70%, validation is 15%, test is 15%, and proportion may vary by the projects. But for basic models, this is the this is the percentage of training, validation and test. Now what is cross validation? Technique to make better use of limited data and repeatedly splits data into different training and validation sets. It improves estimate of model performance. Where popular cross validation methods are k-fold CV, where data is split into k roughly equal parts and each fold is used as validation once, train with the others. Average result for robust estimate. Cross validation versus simple split. Simple split data is divided once only, and cross validation multiple splits, multiple model evaluation, and helps to spot model that are sensitive to data order. It also reduces risk of overfitting by randomizing splits. Why does this method matters? Because of the proper data splits and cross validation means better, more trustworthy machine learning models. Generalizing to new data in the real is the real goal. Thank you everyone. Where we in this we have seen about overfitting and this training data sets percentage and practice data sets and everything. Thank you.